horse to be a jumper. He was owned by a Midwest Bible thumper. His preacher was a Louisiana drummer that took a winter to get through the summer. The fieldhand hit the switch and stumbled. Outside the big engine roared and rumbled. The stolen horse spooked and tumbled. She didn't speak for a week, just kinda mumbled. Ankle deep in love. Ankle deep in love. Yeah. Ankle deep in love. Ankle deep in love. He was caught up in a lie he half believed. Found her hiding high in the family tree. Washed his hands and put her across his knee. She said, Daddy, you've been a mother to me. Ankle deep in love. Ankle deep in love. Ankle deep in love. Ankle deep in love. Hey folks, welcome to another Saturday Night with Tom Petty on the Judge Timbers channel. Tonight we're covering Ankle Deep by Tom Petty, of course, off his solo album, Highway Companion. This is a great track, very simple to play, but it sounds really nice, and it's a perfect acoustic guitar song, and just another classic Tom Petty acoustic song. So Ankle Deep, let's get into it. I have the guitar in standard tuning. I'm not using a capo. We're going to start the introduction, nice C major, right? We're going to do a C major, and the little riff, if you want to call it a riff, you're just going to sus4. So it's just this. So you're doing that all on the 4th string or the C chord, regular C chord, then a sus4, back to the C, then open, and then back to the C, right? So let me try to do it slow. So in real time, something like this. Horse to be a jumper. So that's just a C to a G, back to C. He was on to an F. I'm going to play that barred. You can play it open, however you want to play the F. I like to play it barred by a Midwest Bible thumper. C. His preacher, back to F, was a Louisiana drummer to an A minor. There's an A minor. Took all winter. G. To get through the summer, back to C, right? So I'll do the verse one more time. C, G, C. Then you go to an F, back to C, back to F, to an A minor, down to G, to a C. And now you go back to the riff. Ankle deep, A minor, in love, E minor. Very Beatle-ish. A minor, ankle deep, in love to a G. And now you have the little interlude. It's pretty similar, just a C to a G to a C to an F, back to a C, then he just goes to a G, I think he holds it, back to the C with the riff. A minor to E minor, A minor to G. And then you're back to the verse. He was caught in the light he had believed to see. Then to F, it's all the same. Back to C, back to F, to an A minor, down a G. You've been a mother to me, C. And that with the riff. The riff always leads into the ankle deep part. A minor to E minor, A minor to G. You repeat that twice, and then the outro is the intro, two measures. That's it, folks. That is Ankle Deep by the great Tom Petty. What a great deep track off Highway Companion. Folks, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully I will see you next week and you'll join me for another Tom Petty lesson. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.